Maglalaro po tayo ng ping-pong. Sino po nakakalam ng ping-pong? Table tennis. Okay. Isipin na lang natin na ito yung hinahawakan ko ay table tennis racket. Ano ito yung ball? Let's play ping-pong. Right, sounds good. Let's play ping-pong. Here we go. Mahulog eh. Kaya tinabot natin. Ngayon, bibigyan natin ng twist. Maglalaro tayo ng ping-pong at lalagyan natin ang beat. Alright. Let's go. Slow motion. Alright. Wala ba naman dyan? Okay, next. Para mas ma-relate pa talaga natin ito na yung beatbox. Ang beatboxing kasi pinaghalo-halo ng tunog yan. Alright. So, para mas ma-relate natin, bibigyan ko kayo ng 8 klaseng sound. Alright. 8 different sounds tapos pag-iisahin natin. Okay? Una. Pangalawa. Pangatlo. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 8. It sounds like this. Alright. 8 sounds. Are you ready? Okay. 8 sounds in one beat. Here we go. Diba? 8 sounds. There we go. This is engine sound. Susubukan natin gayahin yung tunog ng sasakyan. Ayaw mag-start yung sasakyan, ano yung problema nito? Check natin yung makina. Ay kaya pala overheat.